Yo, what is up, YouTube? This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpsters. I should call it American AF Property Flips, Investments, I don't know. But I promised you guys a video, and here we go. A few videos back, I had mentioned that I was buying a property to do the BRRRR strategy investment. So it's buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and then repeat. So this is a property that I purchased. It is a 2100. They're calling it a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, but we're going to show you that's not really 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It is a single family house in Palmer, Texas. It has an old Victorian style look to it. It does need some rehab. I bought it, I'll tell everybody, I bought it for $150. I'm hoping it appraises for about $280, and I'll be able to pull about $220 to $240 out of it. We'll see. Not 100% sure, but we're going to find out. Let's do a quick tour. I did just spend the last, I don't know, probably hour mowing the grass and getting the grass nice and short. It's pretty dead, so I'm going to have to treat it and stuff like that, but at least it's mowed. So I'll give you a quick tour of the house. Let's go check it out. Let's go see the before, and then I'm going to take you guys through the process. This is going to be a separate playlist on the American AF Dumpsters channel. You're going to be able to see basically the process of this house being renovated, hopefully rented, and then refinanced, and then off to the next one. Hopefully this will be a start of a new section of the channel, and it'll just be called American AF, not just American AF Dumpsters. So guys, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Help me grow this channel. We just hit 10,000 subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you guys, especially you guys who've been with me for the long haul from the beginning or from close to the beginning. I couldn't have done it without you guys. You guys are the ones that keep me motivated to keep putting out some videos. So thank you guys so much. Help me by growing it even more. Let's get to that 100,000, and share this video, share this channel, share it to everybody that you know. I would truly appreciate it. All right, let's go do a walkthrough real quick, guys. All right, today is a pretty cloudy, dark day, so it's kind of an ominous looking deal, I guess, or ominous looking clouds or sky. But as you can see, this is an old Victorian house. So the house faces this road right here, but it's got this apartment complex here that's kind of not so eye appealing or appealing. It's got this massive ditch, and it's an easement maintained by the owners, but the property line is pretty much where this tree is, so it's an easement. I have to maintain it. I've got to get in there and clean it up a little bit, but it's just huge. So if people, I mean, to walk to the mailbox, I've got to do a little climb right there or walk all the way around. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. And then the house faces this way when the driveway is over here. I don't really like that. So again, give me some ideas, guys. This is my first real, I've done investment properties before, but this is my first real property to renovate and rehab and rent. So should I mess with that driveway? Should I change the entrance to the porch maybe on this side instead of over here? Because that way they can walk around from the driveway and then walk into the porch. What I plan on doing is, I plan on fixing up this porch a little bit, painting it all white. I want to have a good Victorian look, so it's going to have railings all the way around, maybe a couple rocking chairs, make it look pretty. The siding is going to be possibly painted, definitely repaired in some spots. The roof is new. The roof is about 5 years old. It's a very nice roof. It'll last quite a long time. My understanding is as long as you change out the screws and the rubber washers, I believe every 5 or 10 years, I'm not 100% sure, it should last for quite a long time. So we're going to fix up the vinyl spots of the siding that are damaged, and then we're going to go ahead and probably paint the entire thing, fix up the porch, clean up the landscaping, and do something about this ditch. I'm not 100% sure yet. So let's go walk you guys inside real quick. All right, so walking inside, this screen door definitely leaves a little to the imagination. But so the door, the entrance takes you right into this hallway. Also, one thing I don't like is it takes you right into the hallway. You've got bedroom number 1 immediately to the right, which connects to bedroom number 2, which also has its own entrance over here, which also I do not like, but we're going to figure something out here. Not sure. This is going to be the master bedroom. This is how it was left. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit, but it wasn't left too bad by the previous owners. I really appreciate him throwing away as much as possible. You got the furnace in here. That's probably gonna have to be replaced. It's got a fireplace, but it looks like it's been closed off. So not sure what we're gonna do with that yet. Again, any suggestions you guys have, please let me know. I do want to put some money into it, not too much. I do have the AC running. I want to see how cool it gets. But again, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, and now we're back at the entrance again. This whole metal corrugated panelings, that's got to go. And this is going to be your closet, an entry closet, a coat closet, whatever you want to call it, coat rack. Now, this master bedroom has a door that leads into the bathroom, the main bathroom. However, there's a screw there, so I can't open it yet. I didn't bring a drill. So we're gonna be walking into the living room. See where the light switches are. I don't know where they're at. Turn on the lights over there. But there's your bathroom right here. Again, this corrugated, or this paneling all the way around. So this is gonna be the master bathroom. So, you know, they say bathrooms and kitchens sell houses. I don't like how low the ceiling is. You're looking not even probably 7 feet high. I don't like how low it is. The toilet is pushed right up against the wall, which, you know, don't like that. Small shower. I mean, definitely no 7-foot tall guys will be able to take a shower in here. Me, I'm okay. Gonna have to figure out why the ceiling is so low. Then we go into the living room again. Where is the light switch? Oh, there it is over there. So here's another fireplace. This one looks like it's functional. Oh, there's the pocket lights and fan. There we go. All right. So you've got a pretty nice little accent wall. This is really nice. I do like this look. This looks fairly new. So definitely gonna keep that. Again, figure out what we're gonna do with all this metal all the way around. He does have a base heater here. Not 100% sure why. He said the heat and AC worked fine, which I feel the AC's kicking in pretty good. So it does feel pretty good in here. But there is the living room. Then you walk into the kitchen. So the kitchen also leaves a little bit to be desired. All the flooring is going to be needing to be replaced. We do have a little bit of a foundation issue. You've got a pantry closet, room for the fridge, and then bedroom number 3. Here's what I don't like, and here's what we're going to change. On the other side, this used to be a door apparently. On the other side of this door is the hallway when we walked in. I plan on reopening that door and sealing and closing this door completely off. Closet, I do not like a door through the kitchen. So if we seal this off, I plan on putting cabinets from this corner all the way around to here. Maybe even reusing some of these cabinets, putting a new countertop. We're gonna be knocking this down more than likely, putting in a nice center island over here, and then closing this off right here and having a doorway from the kitchen to the second bathroom. This is what they call the second bathroom. It's super small. It is a full-size bathroom, if you would call it that, because you've got a tiny little stand-up shower here, which anybody can look over. But it's got a little stand-up shower here. All this, I mean, you can see this is not done very well. I mean, you've got outlets sticking out and all kinds of stuff. So again, flooring, you've got different levels right here. And then this is going to be our sunroom. Now, our sunroom is super. I do like the sunroom, or the idea of a sunroom. You can tell that AC does not come out here, the central AC. And this used to be the exterior of the old house. You've got the roof line right up here. So this used to be the exterior. They must have added this on, just like they added the bathroom on. I believe there's about 4 or 5 different additions. And I believe the realtor considers this the second or the 4th bedroom. However, there's no closet. So not really sure how they consider this a bedroom, unless they counted this as a closet, or this is a bedroom and this is a closet. Not sure. You guys tell me, those of you guys real estate people, how in the world did they call this a 4-bedroom when I don't see a closet here? That door leads outside. This door leads to the carport, which I just, like I said, I mowed the grass, mowed the lawn. All right. Now I'm gonna take you to the scary section. Well, not that this wasn't scary enough. This floor is all jacked up over here too. So again, what I'd like to do is make this a bigger bathroom right here. You know, make this a big bathroom and have the doorway to the bathroom maybe over here. All this open, or if this is open, I don't know. I'm not really sure yet. We'll figure that out in a little bit. Again, scary section. This is decent flooring, but this is probably gonna all come up. It doesn't feel right. It feels soft in certain spots. But this in here is what I'm a little more concerned about. So first of all, to turn on the light switch, you've got a power strip here with the on-off. That's how you turn on the power strip. This flooring is super sketchy. This is obviously the hot water heater. If you can see it back there, not sure. I don't think I have. There is a light, but I don't know how to turn it on. There's another light up here. How do you turn this on? No clue as well. But they left an old fridge, and an old freezer doesn't work. All this is going to be gutted, and then we're going to figure out. Again, I think this is part of the exterior, the old exterior. I don't know. I believe this flooring is actually made of pallets. I think there's a light switch around here somewhere. Not really a light switch. Another power strip, see? Yeah, this is, all this flooring is rotted. This all needs to be, you know, you've got loose wiring. Good thing is the bones of the house are good. We've got good electrical. Let's see, there's another switch. It looks like that bulb is burnt out. But this is a sketchy section, so I'm not 100% sure what to do with this section of the house. And that right there leads outside. So he's got it secured crutches. So, sorry, I kind of heard something. Thought someone was coming in here. Ooh, it does feel nice and cool in here, though. I'll tell you that much after walking in from out there. So this is an old exterior door. And that is the house. This is the before, guys. Y'all tell me what you think. $150,000 in the Texas market. Got me 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, supposedly, and some free blinds, which is all coming down. Am I in over my head? I guess only time and money will tell. So again, the driveway is in the back. So most people that live here, the tenants or future owners, whatever, are gonna be walking in through the back door. So this has to be kind of nice. This is gonna have to be nice. And again, you've got your carport and your rear yard. This is that door that was secured by crutches. An old shed, not sure what we're gonna do. Fence is probably gonna have to be replaced, and an old AC that's more than likely gonna have to be replaced. So grass was super long. I did cut all the grass. All the soffits, all that stuff is gonna have to be replaced or painted or something. We'll see. And like I said, the fencing, I'm not 100% sure. Probably gonna have to replace the fencing. And the shed can be knocked down. If anybody wants an elliptical, it's a, what is this? A Schwinn 420. I will let you have this for free. Come on and get it. And a super nice Charbroil Classic grill. Come on and get it. Looks like a smoker back here. What is this? Yep. Old smoker and a swing set. Oh. I do have one dumpster on site that I left here for the previous owner. He did dump all that stuff. I kind of just wanted to give him no excuses to just leave a ton of trash here. Gave him a free dumpster. And no, he looks like he used it, a good amount of it. So that is it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. How did I do? How will I do? What suggestions do you guys have for me? No suggestion is a bad suggestion, guys. So, and then what I'll probably do is just create a little walk space in case you got visitors from the walkway from the driveway to the front porch. Nice neighborhood. You've got this house over here, kind of like that is what I'm thinking, like the railings on the porch. Super nice house. Some wrought iron fencing all the way around. A super nice carport over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a decent area. We're gonna play on the Victorian style of this house, and yeah, we're gonna do our thing here, guys. So I'll be giving you guys regular updates. Let me know what you want to see. Until next time, guys, make sure you smash that notification bell, hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next one.